guys, welcome to another episode of cooking, and today we have small recipe we are going to cook. So here I have some onions cut into small pieces, and I have 3 sausages, and on this I have some peeled potatoes and cut into small pieces. So what we are going to do, we are going to first fry this. No, we are first going to boil these potatoes, then we are going to fry it, then fry together with these sausages. So let's first get ready our potatoes, because we are going to boil it first. So I'm going to use this sufuria to boil it. Then I'm going to add some water. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. And I hope today I will not leave the potatoes to overcook. So first of all, let's boil our potatoes before we do anything else. So let's see you when our potatoes has already boiled. So this is our potatoes, it has already boiled. So I've rinsed with cold water so to avoid overcooking. So next we are going to do is dip them into a hot cooking oil with these sausages. So guys, here is our hot cooking oil. So we are going to dip our sausages and our potatoes here. So our sausages are ready. So we are going to remove them and put aside. So this is how it has turned out. So our potatoes is ready. So we are going to remove them from the fire. So next we are going to put some cooking oil in a sufuria. Then we add some onions. I've added some salt to taste. So our onions is ready. We add in our potatoes. then we are going to add our sausage cut into small pieces. And our food is ready to be eaten. So guys, this is how our recipe has turned out. So here is our smoky, some tomato and some potatoes. So the recipe was simple as this. So hope you enjoyed to this end. See you on the next one. Bye. So first, what you do, you boil the potatoes and then you deep fry into a cooking oil, also with this sausage, and then you fry into some onions.